That's my routine every day. When I wake up, stretching, and pray, and then I get. Oh yeah, nice. Oh, nice. That's nice. And then you put you can make coffee but not too much. Don't make not it's strong. Michelle slap me. Why? Kumain ka na? Ayun no, merong dyan no. Yun no, gulay. Kakain ka pa lang? Ay, nako. Hinahabol ka ng mga aso. Grabe. Michelle, my alarm clock. Why you early to wake up? You sleep. What time you sleep? 5 o'clock? Oh, 7 hours only. Are you not sleepy? It's Friday morning there. Lost Michelle. How Michelle to wake up you? Slapping your face. Hey, wake up! Like that. I could not imagine. They put you here. Oh, really? Because of they put you in your throat. Sleep more later. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm mute. Sorry, I'm mute. Two days more loss. Before you go back to your Michelle slap me. I want. Your Michelle is gangster. Oh, see, the time is so running so fast. Now it's 12:13 a.m. My goodness.